Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking green beans, stewed green beans. This is kind of like back home in Guyana we have those long beans called Bora. Well, this is Bora's short cousin, I call them. Alright, this is green beans. They're absolutely delicious. I was feeling kind of nostalgic. I really wanted to eat Bora, but of course I am not back in Guyana, so I went ahead and get me these. So let's jump right into this video. So here I am going to season my chicken. The ingredients, guys, that I'm using will be in the description box along with the measurements. Alright, so we're cooking green beans in chicken stew. Absolutely delicious. Alright, the same method can apply to those who are living in states where you can get Bora. Go right ahead. If you can, green beans is a beautiful option. So after washing and cleaning the beans, we are going to cut this up just like that. Perfect. Then we are going So here what I'll be doing is adding some oil to my pan. Then I'll be going in with my chicken, my diced chicken. This is well seasoned. And the herbs and the spices I use to season the chicken will also be in the description box. After about 5 minutes, we are going on medium low. We are going to remove the chicken and set aside. You can use any part of the chicken. I just had breast, so that is what I'm using. That is what it looks like. Then to the very pan, I added some oil. Then we're going in with our diced onion and celery, some green onions, and give it a good stir. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Make sure to catch everything at the bottom of that pan. Bring everything back in the pot. Good flavor. Then we're going in with our diced carrots. After about an additional minute, we are going to add some tomato paste. Now I have to cook out my tomato paste. So after about a minute and a half, I go in with my potatoes. Give that a good stir as well. It's a process, it's coming together. Stay with me. After about 2 minutes with the potatoes, we season, add some peppers. Then we're going in with our green beans. It looks so much like Bora. Well, I call it Bora short cousin. Okay. And we're gonna season. Here you can also adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. I did add some garlic as well. Then after about 3 minutes, I go in with my chicken. So by this time the potatoes are almost soft, so we really don't want to overcook our chicken. So we add some coconut milk, some fresh tomatoes, allow this to cook for an additional 15. Absolutely amazing, guys. So if you guys try this recipe, please let me know. These green beans too, please let me know how yours turned out. You are going to absolutely love this. All right, and the chicken tenders, guys, this was crunchy. I will drop the video for that pretty soon. Look out for that. Once again, thank you all so much for spending the time with me. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. Share this video, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.